हेलो।
हेलो।
यस।
कैसे हैं सब आज? ये शो का ट्रेलर आपने देख लिया, सो फाइनली आई एम वेरी वेरी हैप्पी एंड एक्साइटेड कि आप लोगों ने ये ट्रेलर देखा है। 50 दिन, ये पूरा शो जो 8 एपिसोड्स का है वो हमने 50 दिन में शूट किया। द होल टीम, I think everyone is extremely invested, emotional about this particular story. A, because it celebrates female friendships. And what I'm so happy about that we're showing as a center for our show is the whole startup culture. उसको एक बहुत ही entertaining तरीके से आपके लिए हम पेश कर रहे हैं। तो जब हम ये scenes शूट कर रहे थे और ये किरदार निभा रहे थे, it's been one of the most exhilarating and fun experiences, and also like an emotional roller coaster. क्योंकि when we were shooting the show, I think we were all discovering these amazing parts that were written for us, and I'm so thankful to Archit, to Colin, for making a show that truly celebrates बहनहुड. Because bromance तो काफ़ी देखा हुआ है, लव स्टोरीज भी काफ़ी देख ही रहे हैं, लेकिन एक सिस्टरहुड के ऊपर एक genuine, also as a woman I always wanted people to actually see strong female friendships, and this show has so much of that. You guys are gonna love it, and I think it's a show that everyone is going to really relate to in different parts. So I know you आपका सवाल तो बहुत simple था, लेकिन I couldn't help myself because it's too long a journey to encapsulate in a few words. But I'm extremely thankful to Karan. He is somebody who constantly champions stories that make his female characters, actors always look super strong. Any woman in his in the films that he produces or directs always are in the forefront. And it's funny, we shot this show a year ago, but इस किस्म का शो एक साल में भी किसी ने भी बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की, which is interesting for us as actors to watch, क्योंकि हर 2 महीने में इतना कुछ बदल रहा है, और ऐसे दौर में भी अगर एक साल में किसी ने इस किस्म की स्टोरी बनाने की कोशिश नहीं की, it says a lot about. So thank you, Karan. I can't see where you are, but okay. Thank you for making a show like this. And for me, a person who's extremely someone who's very close to my heart, Nikhil Madhok. Prime Video ने मुझे इतना support किया है as an actor, इतना collaborate किया है मेरे साथ. मैं genuinely जब हम औरतों की stories बताते हैं ना, ये सिर्फ अगर आपको सिर्फ प्रोमो में आपको ये सब दिख रहा होता और ये बैक एंड में ऐसा नहीं होता तो शायद मुझे कहीं बुरा लगता, लेकिन जेन्युइनली प्राइम वीडियो की पूरी टीम, उन्होंने इतना सपोर्ट किया है. साहिरा, थैंक यू सो मच. हमने आपको बहुत परेशान किया, लेकिन आपने हमें इतने प्यार से हमारी हर फीडबैक को इतने खूबसूरती से आपने ऐड किया, और आज ये जो शो दिख रहा है, प्रोमो हो या शो हो, I think Apurva sir, thank you. You guys have been such a big support system for us. I don't think हम ये स्टोरी बाहर ला पाते अगर ये हम सबका genuine collaboration नहीं होता. And आपने हमें इतना support किया है कि I'm just extremely grateful and thankful. And we have the most amazing crew and amazing actors. जो अगर मैं एक और शब्द बोलूँ तो लोग मुझसे माइक ले लेंगे, इसीलिए मैं किसी और को बात करने दूंगी, फिर मैं वापस इस पे आऊँगी क्योंकि मुझे बहुत सारी बातें बतानी हैं आपको.
Let me tell you first about this character, how this character was actually made. When I met Archit and Colin, this character was absolutely different. Her dressing style and everything was very different. So when we met Archit, and we started doing our trials for our clothes. They were trying to understand the character, what is she going to wear, how she's going to look. So I started wearing westerns, of course. I started wearing jeans, leather bands, skirts, all kind of clothes. And then Archit said, "Ma'am, what if we give you a sari?" अच्छा साड़ी दोगे आप तो मैं वही लगूंगी जो इतने सालों से लगती आ रही हूँ, देन देयर इज़ नो चेंज इन द कैरेक्टर। तो इन्होंने कहा कि साड़ी लोगों को लगता है कि जो औरत पहनती है वो बहुत कमज़ोर होगी या फिर शाय होगी, और जो स्कर्ट पहनती है वो बोल्ड होंगी। बट वी आर गोइंग टू चेंज दैट कॉन्सेप्ट एंड वी आर गोइंग टू मेक यू अ नॉर्मल कॉटन साड़ीज़, एंड व्हेन यू कम ऑन द स्क्रीन पूरे शो में तुमसे ज़्यादा स्ट्रॉन्ग ही कोई नहीं लगेगा।
I was very anxious because I never really knew that I wanted to be an actor. I never knew like how anything goes. So I was just worried if I was even gonna like be able to do what I have, signed up for. But I mean, with both of my directors, I think I'm blessed that I had the most nicest, kindest directors. And they just let me go off and riff off and say whatever I had crazy in my mind for Firdaus. So I just got to have fun. I had lots of fun on my first day with both of these divas as well, because all my scenes are with her. I sadly don't have any scenes with Neeraj sir, Shweta ma'am, which I'm going to request for in season 2. But my first day was iconic. 10 out of 10 if you ask me.
So, the first thing once I went through the whole script, so I'm the only one in this series playing a double role, in a way, because I play 2 different characters because of these girls. और इनकी जो जोड़ी है, ऐसी जोड़ी तो फॉस्टर करने से भी नहीं आएगी। चलो ठीक है, एनीवे खैर दे आर यूज्ड टू माय सो वो पिज्ज़ा वाला मैं ट्राई करूँगा। ये जो तुमने कहा था ना कि पिज्ज़ा खाते हुए जो इमोशंस आते हैं, नेक्स्ट टाइम आई हैव अ पिज्ज़ा आई ट्राई टू लुक इनटू द इमोशनल फैक्टर ऑफ कि ये पिज्ज़ा में इमोशंस कैसे आते हैं। होता है अलग है, टॉपिंग मांगते हो तो यू हैव इमोशनल टॉपिंग्स ऑल्सो, कुछ पता नहीं। एनीवे sorry about that, I just diverted. So for me the way it was written, जिस तरह से इस कैरेक्टर को डेवलप किया, उसमें एक इमोशनल एक ग्राफ है जहाँ से वो आया है, उसका बैकग्राउंड, उसकी एक ट्रेजेडी एक ज़िंदगी में हुई है किसकी वजह से, और किस मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग से ये समझते हैं कि मैं ये कर पाऊँगा। इट्स एक्चुअली बहुत फ़नी भी है और बहुत एक तरह से एक ट्रैजिक भी है। सो फॉर मी एज एन एक्टर इट वॉज अमेजिंग। एंड जैसे कि इन्होंने बहुत सब कुछ कह दिया तमन्ना जी ने, बहुत उसको मैं रिपीट नहीं करूँगा, बट अर्चित द वे ही डेवलप द स्क्रिप्ट एंड वर्किंग विद बोथ ऑफ देम, ये 2 अलग किस्म के डायरेक्टर हैं लेकिन इतने अच्छे, मतलब दे हैव मर्ज्ड टुगेदर सो वेल। एक ये जो हार्मनी हुई इनकी, बिकॉज कॉलिन इज दिस ग्रेट फन, ही इज द क्वाइटर काइंड ऑफ गाय हुज थिंग्स सो, बट द वे दे हैव डिवाइडेड द सीन्स एंड हाउ दे हैव एग्जीक्यूटेड इट, it's been an amazing journey for me as an actor and बहुत मज़ा आया। और सारे actors and especially तमन्ना, डायना, congratulations, सूफी congratulations, debuts, and नीरज भाई के साथ मेरा एक, मतलब मेरी ज़िंदगी का एक, मैं कभी नहीं भूलूंगा वो एक सीक्वेंस है, वो आप लोग जब सीरीज देखोगे तो this was how when we get involved as actors into characters then we can't say cut because it's continuing, and it was a very emotional moment मेरे life का। I have never had this kind of interaction with an actor and total Neeraj bhai, this is my 3rd series with him. Brilliant, amazing actor, so much to learn, and it's so good working with the team.
Thank you.
And Shweta के साथ भी जिस तरह से हमारा एक relationship है वो बहुत ही unusual और मज़ेदार है, and so it was fantastic working, brilliant, I loved it. Thank you very much.
Something I've not done before, yes, because I've never done a long format before, but also character-wise. So she was not the demure girl that I've played before. She's not the boisterous girl that I've played before. But I think that she was the most real person that I've played so far. And I think that's what when Archit and I sat down to discuss this character, and I wanted to know what he had in mind about her. I think that was one of the main points that came to mind, is that we need to make this show as real as possible, and every character has to be as real as possible. And I think that's one of the most special parts about this show, is that each character has been cast so perfectly to fit the part. And so yeah, we took a lot from my own experiences in life, from, I'm sure, Archit and Colin's experiences in life as well. There have been many situations in the show when you watch them which have actually happened to a lot of us, which again makes it so real, relatable and believable. But that was always our end goal, for it to just for an audience to be able to relate. And the best way to relate is if it's something that's happened to you, or if it's a kind of friendship that you've had before, or even if people are just people. Sometimes you don't have to say much. You don't have to have like lines and lines and lines of dialogues. You can just be in a scene, and it can be extremely powerful. In fact, those are the more powerful scenes when there's silences. So I think that's what we aimed to do and hopefully have done. But it was challenging because of the fact that it's a lot of work. But it's also so much more satisfying creatively because you get so much more to play with and to get into the depth of characters, which yes, of course you get to do in films, but I feel not as much and not as often.